I'm going to show you really clever ways to keep up with those daily chores. They're clever ways to help you keep your bathrooms clean in between deep cleaning. Tip number 1, start with rubbing alcohol. It cleans your glass. Not only that, it disinfects your faucets and your counters in 10 to 12 seconds. Keep a cloth and keep it folded. That way you can use several sides. Spray. Start at the top, always the top, and go down in an S pattern just like this. Do you hear that glass squeak? Rubbing alcohol does so good on glass. Normally the splatters on the mirror are down at the bottom near the sink. So if you swipe up, you're spreading germs and dirty toothpaste and stuff all the way around the mirror. So don't do that. Start at the top and go in an S position. Now you can unfold your cloth and those germs are trapped on the inside seam of that cloth. Use baskets. When you use baskets, you can easily slide them to the side and then clean the countertop much faster than moving one product at a time. Plus, it's really good for husbands and kids to place their stuff in a basket. And also, it's perfect for ADHD because that way it's all done the exact same way every single time and it helps you clean. Also use trays. Trays are a perfect way to place your toothpaste and stuff. That way you can clean and then set it right back. And then you fold your cloth once more to trap the germs. And then the disinfectant alcohol is a perfect way to clean and sanitize your faucet. And it also shines it. Just spray it on there, let it sit for 10 or 15 seconds, and it'll wipe off really fast. And this is a perfectly clean vanity. Now for the commode area, always keep everything in a basket just like the sink, your wipes, your gloves, your rubbing alcohol. This is a really smart way to use one product that cleans everything. It's going to disinfect your toilet in 10 to 12 seconds, or you can use a disinfectant wipe. Either way works. Start at the top and work your way all the way around the bottom. You should also have a toilet brush next to your toilet so you can easily clean the bowl. Spray your gloves with rubbing alcohol to disinfect and put them back and you're ready for next time. Like and subscribe if you want clever ways to keep your living room and kitchens under control. I'll have more. This is the bathroom edition.